Hey, how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar. I'm in a really funny mood because I've been shredding for like a few hours. So my brain is a little bit fried, but I want to get a lesson out for you, my friend. So today I thought I would show you this thing that I discovered with my student last Friday. And what we were doing together is we were playing Feel Like Making Love, the little... Right? Because I made a lesson for that last week and I was teaching him that. And then he actually came up with this cool idea, or no, I came up with the cool idea while teaching it to him, of just adding in these little extra notes. And then I thought I'd show you how to do that, just so you get a few ideas for how you can take songs that you already know and make them your own, right? So we're going to be learning that. And I'm also going to show you a cool little thing that you could do that sounds really cool but isn't hard. So what I was doing there is I was just playing single notes, so like arpeggiated notes. Showing you how to do that. And then one last thing that I'm going to be showing you how to do is, since this song is in D, we are going to be tuning our guitar down to drop D, and that just lets you do cool things. So this is just a little lesson that's made to inspire you to take songs that you already know and do your own thing with them, okay? All right, we're going to be learning it. I'm going to be showing you some cool stuff, easy to digest, and a lot of fun to play. All right, let's get in the close-up. See you there. All right, let's get right into it. So I'm starting off here on the 8th fret, barring down on the 1st and 2nd string, and with my middle finger, I'm on the 3rd string, 11th fret. And one thing that I should point out is that my guitar is in drop D tuning, so that means that I tuned the 6th string down to D. I actually have a lesson for that. If you're interested, just type in Henry Olsen drop D tuning, and then you'll see how to do that. But all you have to do is tune down the E string down to D, okay? It's really easy. All right, so that's just for later when we do this cool little thing that you could add into this cool little lick here, okay? So that's what we're going for now. So I'm barring down on the 1st and 2nd string. Again, 10th fret, here I'm on the 11th fret, 3rd string, and then I'm just doing a, so that's, so down, up, and then on that last up, I'm adding my pinky here. You could also add your ring finger, and that's on the 12th fret, okay? So, see that? Down, up, and then down, I'm releasing. So down, up, up, down. Okay, same thing 2 frets further down. Then I'm grabbing a D shape. Just now I'm on the 7th fret, right? Then I'm putting my pinky down there, adding like a sus4 shape, right? So, sorry. And I'm letting these notes ring too. So the D string is ringing, occasionally the A string is ringing, and you could even play all 6 notes since we're in drop D tuning. At least here. When you go to the C, it still works harmonically, but you want to aim more for these higher notes, okay? So, and now we're going to the D shape here, again 7th fret. These 2 fingers. So down, up, and then I'm going to a real D, right? Okay, so the last thing is da 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 da. Okay, so Okay, now let me show you this arpeggiating thing that I'm doing here. So what I'm doing is I'm just aiming for any of these bass notes. So, or let's say the lower notes. So the 3rd string, the 4th string, you could even hit the 5th string, and I'm just going. So I'm aiming for either one of these, the 3rd string, the 4th string, hitting it, 4th string, then I'm going 1, 2. So bass 1, 2, bass 1, 2, bass 1, 2, bass 1, 2. So you don't even have to hit just a single bass note. You could strum the entire chord. Okay, so see that? Then just go to a D. Right? And that's something that you don't have to do really totally accurately, but it's still going to sound good. And you can really be free with your right hand and kind of just aim for single notes, and no matter what you hit, as long as you're playing the notes of the chord, which you automatically are, it's going to sound good. Okay, so try to experiment with that in your everyday playing. Anytime you're playing a chord, just go for some of those single notes, and try to make music out of them. And then you can turn something really simple into something that sounds really interesting, right? So I'm just improvising here just to show you how easy it is to come up with pretty interesting sounding ideas just by kind of doing this little thing that I was showing you there. Okay, so play around with your pick, aim for those single notes, and see what happens, right? Have fun with that. Okay, so the last thing that I want to tell you now is about this cool little riff thing that you could do. Okay, so this is a D power chord now. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be playing that open. So 6th and 5th string, same strings just now on the 3rd fret, same strings just now on the 5th fret. Okay, so what you could do now is you could go. So now I just open, so open 3, open 5. And then you have to be fast to get back here. So see that? Now I just did a slide into the 5th fret, back to the 3rd fret. So again, I'm improvising. I'm coming up with new original ideas, okay? And that's what I want to inspire you to do. That's something that I really am very passionate about and talk about quite a bit, okay? So have fun with this. Let me know how it goes. Try playing it arpeggiated. Try playing it strummed. Just try different things. Have fun with it. Make it your own. And let me know how it goes. All right. All right, I hope you liked this lesson. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Have you downloaded my book yet? Make sure you download the book. And again, all of my members get a free copy of this shipped to their doorstep, okay? So if you want to learn more about that, just send me a message, write to me, and I will hook you up. All right, see you later. Take it easy. Bye-bye.